Upgrading your camera can be an exhilarating experience, but that excitement might hide serious risks. Picture this: you're at a breathtaking location, your new camera ready to capture the moment. But what if it can't keep up? This is a critical stress signal many photographers overlook. As technology advances, it's tempting to believe that newer models are always better. However, countless photographers dive in without fully understanding their camera's limitations. This isn't just about specifications, it's about knowing how your gear performs in real-world situations. Now, imagine it being out in the field when your camera suddenly freezes. You've lost the shot, not just an opportunity, but a reminder of the warning signs your equipment sends. Factors like the environment, your settings, and your shooting style are all crucial to consider. A common pitfall is upgrading to high-performance cameras while neglecting the lenses. The best camera body is useless without compatible glass. If your components don't work well together, frustration is inevitable. The tension escalates when you realize you've invested in gear that don't meet your actual needs. You might find yourself at a wedding trying to capture fleeting moments, only to discover your camera struggles in low light. The disappointment can be crushing. But here's the kicker: sometimes the issue lies not with the gear itself, but with how you're using it. It's easy to blame technology, but understanding your equipment and its limitations can help you avoid costly mistakes. So, how do you steer clear of these pitfalls? Start by assessing your shooting environment. By assessing your shooting are you aware of what your gear can realistically handle? If you frequently shoot in challenging conditions, it might be time to rethink your strategy. Reflect on this: how often do you upgrade without fully understanding the risks? The hidden dangers of camera technology can be more daunting than any challenge you face in the field. Before you rush to buy the latest gear, take a moment to consider what your camera can actually do. Your next great shot and your peace of mind might depend on it. Have you ever felt that rush of excitement when unboxing a brand new camera? The sleek body, the crisp lens, and the promise of capturing cinematic magic. But this excitement can lead to a costly mistake. Upgrading your camera gear is thrilling, but there's a hidden side beneath that shiny exterior. Many people overlook the risks of upgrading without fully understanding what they are getting into. Imagine you've just landed your dream job and are ready to shoot with your new camera. You feel unstoppable, but beneath that confidence lies a potential trap. The technology might be cutting edge, but if you don't grasp its limitations, you could find yourself in a tough spot. Let's dive deeper. Those sleek new features often come with a learning curve. Take a higher frame rate, for instance. It sounds amazing until you realize it demands more from your editing software. The frustration of rendering issues can drain your creativity faster than you think. And it's not just about your skills. Choosing the wrong camera could lead to poor battery life or storage that fills up before you've captured half your shots. Imagine being in the middle of a shoot when your camera suddenly dies. That's a nightmare scenario. Now, think about those camera settings that seem straightforward, auto modes that promise to simplify everything. But what happens when they don't deliver? You end up with footage that looks nothing like what you envisioned, all because you trusted a feature without understanding its potential pitfalls. Let's also talk about connectivity. Your shiny new camera might boast the latest Wi-Fi capabilities, which sounds convenient, right? But if you don't know how to manage those connections, you could lose valuable footage or face compatibility issues. It's like throwing a wrench into your workflow at the worst possible time. Imagine you've invested all this time and money only to discover your new gear isn't compatible with your favorite editing software. Suddenly, you're questioning your choices and scrambling for solutions. But don't worry just yet. There's a way to navigate these tricky waters. Before you upgrade, take a moment to research not just the features but also the limitations. Dive into user reviews, watch Hansen demos, and most importantly, ask yourself if this upgrade truly aligns with your needs. As you ponder this, remember the latest technology is only as good as your understanding of it. So the next time you feel tempted to upgrade, pause and consider what you are really stepping into. And hey, if this resonates with you, why not share your camera experiences in the comments? Let's navigate this journey together. Imagine investing thousands in the latest camera, only to discover it's not the upgrade you expected. Many passionate creators overlook a crucial factor that could jeopardize their investment: the hidden risks of upgrading without understanding the limitations of their new gear. This can lead to disappointment, and you might be closer to that disappointment than you realize. Picture this: you're at a significant event, capturing moments you want to treasure forever. But that new lens you bought, it's not performing as you hoped. Higher specifications don't always guarantee better results, and there's a trap that can catch you off guard. Let's be real. Many people get swept up in the excitement of new tech without considering how it fits their style or needs. It's easy to be dazzled by new features, but have you thought about whether you can handle the complexity they bring? The weight, controls, and settings can feel overwhelming when it matters most. Imagine you're lining up that perfect shot. You have the camera lens and the vision, but suddenly the autofocus can't keep up, leaving you with blurred memories. This risk often goes unnoticed, and the excitement can blind us to potential pitfalls until it's too late. Upgrading can feel empowering, but not knowing your gear can shake your confidence. You might think you are ready for a challenging shoot, but if you're unfamiliar with your camera's quirks, you are setting yourself up for disappointment. Have you ever felt that sinking sense of regret? Now, let's take it a step further. Imagine you're editing, eager to relive those moments, but the colors are off. You realize too late that your new camera doesn't handle low light as well as your old one did. The image quality you envisioned is now just a shadow of reality. It's frustrating, right? You wanted to elevate your craft, but instead you are struggling with your gear. So, what's the solution? What's the solution? Before rushing into that upgrade, take a moment to step back. Understand your current equipment inside and out. Your car equipment. Your